To create a project development timeline, first we need to understand what needs to be done. Then we need to divide each part to smaller tasks and estimate each of them. Also, agile methods and charts are very helpful to track a progress.
Breaking the project into smaller, more manageable tasks help you estimate the time and resources needed for each task. You can organize it hierarchically using a work breakdown structure.
Hi guys, I would like to share my opinion on such a question: how to determine a project timeline. Determining a project timeline is a crucial step in software development. It involves several key considerations. Project scope. When you define the project scope and its objectives, you need clearly understand what you need to deliver. This will help you estimate the time required for each component. Requirements analysis. Thoroughly analyze the project requirements. Make sure you have a detailed understanding on what the client or stakeholders expect. Task breakdown. Break down the project into smaller tasks or user stories. This granularity will make it easier to estimate time accurately. Task estimation. For each task, estimate how much time it will take. Use your experience expertise to do this, but be realistic. Consider factors like complexity, dependencies, and potential roadblocks. Prioritization. Prioritize the task. Identify critical path items, dependencies, and any tasks that can be worked on concurrently. Use tools. Leverage project management tools and software like Jira, Trello, Linear, and so on to help with scheduling and tracking progress. Communication. Keep the team and stakeholders informed about the timeline if delays are expected. Communicate them early and propose solutions. Testing and QA. Don't forget to allocate time for testing and quality assurance. This phase is often underestimated. Documentation. Allocate time for documentation as it's an essential part of the project. Thank you for your attention. Slava Ukraini.
To determine a project timelines, you should identify all tasks, estimate their durations, establish dependencies, and then create a schedule based on these factors.